All right, let's zoom out and break down how these large language models, or LLMs, like ChatGPT, learn to generate such coherent and meaningful text. The process happens in three main stages. 1. Pre-training. Think of this step as learning the basics. The model starts by reading through an enormous amount of text, what we call an unlabeled corpus, which is essentially just a vast collection of written material from books, articles, websites, and more. During pre-training, the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence, similar to how you might guess the next word in a text message. By doing this over and over across billions and trillions of examples, the model gets a good sense of language patterns, grammar, and context. This is like the foundation on which everything else is built. 2. Instruction. Fine-tuning. Now, the model needs to learn how to follow specific instructions. In this stage, the model is trained on examples where there's a clear prompt, like a question or a command, and a correct response. This is like teaching the model how to answer questions in a way that makes sense. It's similar to how we might teach a student by showing them examples of questions and the right answers. The model fine-tunes its understanding based on these examples, becoming better at following instructions and generating relevant responses. 3. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. Finally, we add a layer of human touch. After the model has been fine-tuned, humans step in to give feedback on its responses. If the model's answer is good, it gets a thumbs up. If not, it gets guidance on how to improve. This feedback loop helps the model get even better at understanding what humans really want when they ask something. It's like having a coach that helps you refine your skills to be the best you can be. So, by going through these three steps, learning the basics, practicing with specific instructions, and refining with human feedback, the model becomes incredibly powerful and capable of generating text that's not just accurate, but also meaningful and contextually appropriate.